with Brainy Mama. Today we hold a very special space because we have in conversation with us a mother who has a special child with unique needs. Today, in honor of that mother who wants to conquer the world with her love and resilience.
मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त श्रुति सिंघल और मेरे साथ है गुरप्रीत. Today we are here to celebrate a mother, her victory of conquering the issues that she's got in life, her resilience to keep standing tall and to fight whatever comes in her way in the journey of motherhood. Today we have Dr. Shalu Kapil, who's a very, very, very special mother of an immense special child. The way she's conducted her kids, the way she's conducted her career is commendable. Let's hear from Dr. Shalu Kapil. So please tell us something about yourself.
So I'm Dr. Shalu Kapil and I've been a practicing dental surgeon for past 18 to 20 years. I worked with Sir Gangaram Hospital and BJM Hospital earlier. Now practicing in Pentamid for the past 18 years. And I'm director at RX Rejuvenate Clinic, which is an aesthetic clinic, and it is situated in Vijayanagar. And I wish to open more of its branches.
Wonderful.
And mom of 3 wonderful kids also.
Beautiful. So, Dr. Sab, today we're touching a very sensitive topic, with you and with our viewers around about special kids.
Yeah.
So please tell us your story about it.
So it's a big story. It goes back 15 years back. Now my son is 15 years. So yeah, it was difficult. It was difficult to accept in the initial stages that I've got a special child and to roam in the society where the society thinks कि मैं एक ऐसा बच्चा लेके घूम रही हूँ शायद जो मार्स से आया है, because people didn't know about all these, if a son is hyperactive, yeah, if he's misbehaving, why is he misbehaving. So it's been a tough journey, but yes, I can proudly say that I have sailed that journey and I'm still in that journey and I'm proud to be his mom. He is very close to my heart and he is the apple of the eye of my family.
Be sure. So, doctor, what exactly was he diagnosed with?
So he had tethered cord when he was born, which we didn't know. It was not diagnosed in ultrasounds, and it was misdiagnosed. It was
What is it exactly?
Your spinal cord is not formed properly. It has to go up at certain time of your age, but it became tethered because of an liposoma there. So we didn't know he was a happy child, but when he became 1.5, he was not walking properly. So I was also a first mom. I didn't know कि मुझे क्या क्या उसके में check करना है and just got to know that he's not walking properly, he's not taking his weight. So just got some things done, x-rays done, and we got to know that he has developmental displacement of hip from his left side. So I thought that was the time I got my x-ray done of my son, and I was waiting outside my mom's house. My husband came. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे उसको बताना है, and I thought that day I felt कि मेरे ना पैर मतलब धरती नहीं है मेरे. I was very numb कि क्या होगा. Then I told him he has DDH. We said ठीक है. Then because it was an ortho problem, we went to Dr. Matthews and he sits in Stephens. He is a renowned name. So we went to him. Then he said कि DDH is fine, but why? What is the reason that DDH is occurring? So he said कि get your MRI done for the spinal cord. We got that done and we got to know he has tethered cord. He was not passing his urine properly. That stream was not fine. So it became, ortho से हम shift हो गए neuro पे. Then we got his surgery done. See, approaching doctors, all those doctors who knows about these genetical disorders, by birth disorders are very few in India, I'll say. So we searched for the best doctors. When I was in Gangaram then, so he said ki go to Dr. Ajay Sharma. He is practicing in Pant and he knows about these cases very nicely. So we went to Dr. Ajay Sharma. अप्रोच भी लगानी पड़ती है, जब तक नहीं मिलता तब तक आपका क्योस भी बहुत रहता है लाइफ में. देन वी वेंट देयर, ही गॉट ऑपरेटेड. We thought कि things are fine. He was back. Then we contacted Dr. Matthew. He said he'll wear a splint. And आप शुरू में ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ अब जो हो अब बच्चा ठीक हो जाएगा. You don't accept इतना ना कि ऐसा लगता है कि being a doctor एक छोटी सर्जरी करानी थी, ठीक हो जाएगा. Then he became 2.5. मतलब he grew. He was not giving eye contact to us. I said कि ऐसा लगता था कि चलो ठीक है, if he is physically not able to do, we'll work on his intelligence. Then we went to a psychiatrist. She said कि उसको autism भी है, because he was not giving us eye contacts and was not verbal then, very verbal by that time. So it was like कि अब autism भी है, अब न्यूरो प्रॉब्लम भी है, अब ऑर्थो प्रॉब्लम भी है. तो you know जब ये सब आप फेस में करवाते हो, when you are under treatments for the doctors, you don't have that social life also. और आप शुरू में इतना एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं होता, आप इन बच्चों को कहीं लेके जाते हो, बिकॉज ही वॉज हाइपर एक्टिव, ही वॉज नॉट लिसनिंग टू अस. कई बार ऐसा होता था ही वॉज नॉट रिएक्टिंग. तो और जैसे किसी के घर गया, कभी कहीं कूद गया, कभी कहीं कूद गया, तो ऐसा लगता था सबको कि क्या है ये बच्चा, ही इज़ वेरी बैड. तो मुझे भी ना शुरू में जाने में शर्म आने लगी. वाई टू go to the social gatherings when everybody is having a normal child, or my son is not mixing with them. And you know mamas भी ऐसे कहती थी. I know they are good mamas also, but कई लोग ऐसे कहते थे ना कि इधर नहीं जाना, इसके पास नहीं जाना. And they used to see me also like कि पता नहीं अपने बच्चों को कुछ पढ़ाती हैं कि नहीं पढ़ाती हैं, एजुकेटेड हैं, कैसे बिहेव करता है. मुझे ना बहुत सारी टीचिंग्स आनी शुरू हो जाती थी, इसको ऐसे कराया कर, एल्डरलीज ऑल्सो, हाँ ऐसे कराया कर. आई इन माई थॉट न्यू ही हैज़ ऑटिज़म, ही विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बाय दिस. और आई वॉज गेटिंग एवरीथिंग जो उसको बेटर कर सकता है, स्पेशल एजुकेशन, OT, फिजियोथेरेपी. माई डेली रूटीन used to go to, I dropped Gangaram by then. It was because there we had a specific timing. I had to be there by 9 and have to be there by 5 in the evening.
It was a demanding job.
It was a demanding job. So you know, in the afternoons, I had to take my child to all these therapies. Then I started OT, special education, ABA, physiotherapy, many therapies. As in how मतलब doctors या anybody told me that this will make your child better. So I left that job. I joined Pentamed, hopefully, मतलब luckily, because my husband said कि don't. I was like शुरू में being a mom and your first child is like, ऐसा लगता था सब कुछ छोड़ दो, इसी को ठीक करना है, ठीक है, ऐसा लगता है इसी को ठीक करना है and I'll do everything. तो but I was not able to focus on my job. I took a leave. Then he said कि don't leave your job. If you leave your job, you leave your practice, you know, you will go into depression. Because हर टाइम मेरे पास सिर्फ उसी का ऑरा रहेगा कि, और मुझे लगेगा कि मुझे क्या करना है. देन आई यू नो मॉर्निंग इवनिंग प्रैक्टिस करती थी, आफ्टरनून में इनेश को ऑल्टरनेट डेज पे क्लासेस, कभी स्पेशल एजुकेशन, OT, एनीवे मतलब डॉक्टर्स के भी बहुत ले जाना होता था. समबडी हैज़ टू गिव प्रॉपर टाइम ना. So be Dr. Deepak Gupta, Children First, everything, मतलब North Delhi, South Delhi, got his diagnosis to US also, to my sister. Then MB12 from US. There are a lot of therapies. Everybody told me ये इससे आपका बच्चा better हो जाएगा.
What were the early signs, like how you navigated yourself to the initial diagnosis कि ये problem है?
See, when he was 1.5, he was not walking, so that raised an alarm. So we thought कि इसका growth spurt proper नहीं आया है. Then we consulted doctors and he said कि X-ray कराते हैं, why he is not able to put weight on his leg. Then we got to know that he has DDH, which is development displacement of hip. And then जब वो पता चला, we went to Dr. Matthew and he said कि he thinks he has something wrong in his tethered cord also, spinal cord. So we got to know that he has tethered cord also.
एक के बाद एक वो
मुश्किलें बढ़ती चली
symptoms
गई।
link
हाँ।
करते गए.
Okay.
So he was operated, and we thought कि he'll be fine, but you know इतना fine नहीं हुआ. But still,
Yeah. So when you were diagnosed with this problem, managing work must be very difficult that time. You know, when you have a child at home who's as young as 1.5, 2 years. So आपने वो manage कैसे किया the work life and you know going rounds to doctors. All this is very overwhelming for a parent.
see, there had to be some changes in my life, which I'm happy I did. I left Gangaram because I had to give my son more time. See, either parent has to do, either me or my husband. So I shifted to Pentamed. He said कि don't leave your work because अगर आप काम छोड़ देते हो ना सिर्फ वही चीज़ में लगे तो you go into depression. So I didn't leave my job. I joined Pentamed Hospital. Morning, evenings, OPDs, and afternoon was when for my child. I used to take him for all the classes and the doctors in the afternoon.
So, listening to your story, it is quite overwhelming, and
Yeah.
I really want to know how you emotionally, you and your husband, balanced yourself, knowing that your child is diagnosed with this problem, and then back to back there is another diagnosis, then there is another diagnosis, then you get to know so many things. कि ये भी है, ये भी है. What was your emotional take on that?
See, I also had my bad days. मुझे पता चलता था इसको ये problem है. I used to cry. Not in front of everyone. कभी बाथरूम में जाकर ऐसा लगता था कि मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है.
And as a mother,
As a mother also, I'm first child and I used to go hospitals, and since I am a medico, because आप डॉक्टर हो, आपके साथ ये problem है. We are not gods. ठीक है, if God had destined this for me, it's fine. शुरू में बहुत बुरा लगता था, but then one day I realized it's only me who has to do it. Either I cry, I can blame anybody in this world कि ऐसा हुआ वैसा हुआ. Blame game खेलने से I'll not get anything. So I only have to work. So I decided कि I'll do it. And I'll do it with a smile so that my child doesn't think कि he's a burden on me. So I always take this as a smile.
So like you mentioned that you've got 3 kids. So you as a family, when did you land up on that decision कि हमें एक और लाइफ को लेकर आना चाहिए? और in that process क्या doubts थे that what if
The second baby is like that.
Exactly, because I see a lot of people getting that jitters that you know. So how was
See,
that
I'll
transition
thank my husband in this. You know, being a mother, I was like कि मुझे इसी को फोकस करना है, इसी को ठीक करना है. और बिकॉज मॉर्निंग इवनिंग ओपीडीज है, दोपहर को बच्चा है, माई लाइफ वॉज ओनली दिस. और बाहर जाओ ना बच्चों के पास नॉर्मल बच्चे जो घूमते थे, तो माई हस्बैंड सेड वी शुड हैव प्लान सेकंड वन. आई सेड कि मैं कैरी नहीं कर पाऊँगी. ही सेड कि अगर हमारे पास एक बच्चा में प्रॉब्लम है, अगर हमारे पास एक और बच्चा होगा जो नॉर्मल है, तो हम लोग कुछ तो खुशी के पल रहेंगे. हम कहीं जाएंगे तो हमारे पास कुछ तो होगा. एंड देयर हैज़ टू बी समवन हु कैन सपोर्ट इनेश लेटर ऑल्सो. सो आई थॉट कि मतलब ही वॉज राइट एंड आई गिव इट अ थॉट. सो वी प्लान्ड सेकेंड चाइल्ड. और Gangaram has a genetics department. Got my genetics done there, and then I planned my second child, and luckily it was a girl. And when she was born, my husband was like कि good, now he has a sister, and you know ladies and sisters के अंदर जो emotional touch होता है ना, तो he'll be taken care of. So we were lucky to have daughter was born, and my husband said कि now he has got a sister, तो he'll be taken care of क्योंकि emotional factor ज़्यादा होता है. So we were very happy to have Tejaswini in our life.
So you've got 3 kids, right?
Yeah.
So how the third one was placed in your story?
Third one has a interesting story.
Acha.
Tejaswini was 3, and we were happy with 2 kids, Inesh and Tejaswini with us. Then it's a learning lesson. One of my known was getting her daughter married. She also had one special daughter, and then the second one was getting married.
Okay.
जब रिश्ते आते हैं, जो दूसरी फैमिलीज होती है ना, वो लोग बहुत क्वेश्चंस करते हैं कि पहले वाली में ऐसा था, इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कौन लेगा. यू नो इट इज़ अ मिथ, मतलब इट इज़ वेरी बैड पार्ट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. आई गॉट टू नो, सब लोग कहते थे कि इसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कौन लेगा. जब तक पेरेंट्स जिंदा है ऑब्वियसली वही रखेंगे, लेकिन सब लोग कहते थे इसके जाने के बाद मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दूसरी बेटी के पास ही है. तो शी सेड कि शी वॉज वेरी सैड दैट डे. शी सेड कि मैडम, शी न्यू अबाउट मी, सेड कि मैडम एक बच्चा और होना चाहिए, एटलीस्ट इतना तो होता कि 6-6 महीने कोई रख लेगा अगर मैं नहीं रही. तो दैट हिट मी हार्ड. आई वॉज लाइक कि if that happens to Tejaswini, what will I do then? So thinking about 20 years after that marriage life, so I thought ki let's plan another one, so that kuch to responsibility share, and Tejaswini will have somebody to share her thoughts and her life with. So I planned third one. और सब लोग यही कहते थे कि इस ज़माने में तीसरा. आई वॉज लाइक कि मुझे और मेरे हस्बैंड को रखना है, वाई डज इट बॉदर यू? So it takes courage to say this in front of people, and people don't shy away to ask why. I said why. So
But I mean, that's very thoughtful of you as a parent,
yeah,
to understand, to be practical in life, because somewhere there is a very thin line. I believe you have to be overcome that emotional phase of your life where you have to think practically,
Yes.
for you as well and for your children as well. So ये चीज़ बड़ी मायने रखती है जो आपने सोचा कि something that was the turning point.
Yeah.
I believe in your life. So I want to understand, when you had your second one after 5 years and the third one after 3 years of the second one.
yeah.
So how your children took this, that मेरा बड़ा भाई ऐसे उसको ये प्रॉब्लम है या he needs special care and attention. What was their take on that, and how did you manage as a parent?
See, I told them very frankly that he needs you, and this is your destiny. You have come here to help him. He is your responsibility before you were born. And शुरू में होता था, when Inesh was hyperactive, कभी बाल खींच दिए, she used to cry. So I used to tell her कि who is going to take care of him? He is your brother. And she has inculcated this, and as the same is with Viraj, the youngest one. I said कि you are here to help this brother, your भाई. And now वो दोनों यही कहते हैं कि इनेश हमारे घर का सबसे छोटा बच्चा है. And they always pamper him. उसके साथ खेलना छोटा बच्चे की तरह, शाम को सुबह like गाल वाल खींच दिए. And now he also enjoys. He doesn't hit. उसको बड़ा मज़ा आता है कि, and he also like कि Tanya, he'll say Tanya, it's 2 o'clock that he has to come back from the school. Now 4 o'clock that she has to go to the tuitions. So he's also yelling with them now.
See, your children take that responsibility.
Yeah.
And
At very young age, I believe.
At a very young age, and I believe children with passage of time, they become responsible, seeing the situation in the
Yeah.
house. And I really appreciate the fact, as a parent, आपने अपने बच्चों को जिस तरीके से समझाया.
See, I tell them it's not just for Inesh also. You get to see these type of kids in your schools also. Nowadays, every class has 2 or 3 students which are like this, which are always, I say they are mild autism या milder difficulties. So I tell them also be kind to them also. Tejaswini, I remember कि she also has someone who is naughty in the class. So she stood up and said मैम से कि मैम कोई बात नहीं, मेरा भाई भी ऐसा है, I understand कि ऐसे कर रहा है, it's fine. So it's not that in the home only you will get these type of kids. In the social, when you go out, people have to teach their kids that you have to be kind to these kids. They are not someone who have come from mass, and we moms are not guilty for that. And we should not be held guilty. We should, we don't need sympathy or pity, but we should be treated with some empathy. Sometimes we have emotional disturbances, some ordeals are going inside for the treatments, yeah, for the anything, So I just think लोगों को नॉर्मल बिहेव करना चाहिए when these kids are seen.
So, Dr. Shalu, having 3 kids, having a career, and when you are involved with somebody medically, be it anybody at home, it is very taxing in terms of emotions and in terms of finances also.
Yeah.
And a lot of people don't talk about it, but it does take a toll
Yes.
on your entire thing. Raising a kids in any which way is not easy these days. So how do you manage all that?
See, sometimes I am judged कि I am not at home for my kids.
Okay. Oh, wow.
ठीक है because many parents teach their kids, moms are teaching them at home, homework हो रहे हैं. My kids are also studying there, but they have their tuition teachers. I'm not at home from morning to, but yes, I'm always available on my call, and I coordinate with my tuition teacher कि ये करवाना है, ये homework आया है. Everything I coordinate for the whole day. But what I believe is कि even if I sit back home, I'll not be able to justice to that profession for teaching, yeah, for the treatment of Inesh. For that, I have to hire someone. I have to take help of some other people.
Yeah.
So for that, you need money. So I can earn money from my specialty, and I can take help of other person who is specialized in that work. So that makes sense for me, na? Ki I make money from my specialty.
As a mother, you're such a go-getter. मतलब what we generally see there कि लोग कैसे victimize हो जाते हैं, but then you face the problem और कैसे आपने practically उसका solution ढूंढा, because problem तो आ गई है.
प्रॉब्लम तो आ गई, तो आई ओनली ऐसे लाइक कि मैं कभी आई गो वॉश माई फेस एंड आई सी माई फेस इन द मिरर, आई टेक माई एनर्जी, आई से कि only you have to do this, nobody else in the world is going to help you with this. So I come out, I say कि I'm ready to go for the day.
I believe it's very inspiring to listen from you कि बेचारा बनने से अच्छा अपनी स्टोरी के हीरो बन जाओ. Let people judge because you are the provider of your family. Why you want to give that thread to the other one to pull that thing कि कैसे बच्चे manage होंगे.
हाँ,
So a
it's
mom
not-
knows better. Your children are getting everything at home.
It's not about being hero या perfect person, but I don't want to regret कि I have not done this for my child. I don't have to, मैंने उसका ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया, मैं ये मतलब रोती रही और मैंने ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कराया, that would have hurted me more. अगर मैं बाहर निकल के काम नहीं किया, I didn't earn money, I was not able to spend on my child, that will give me more guilt. So I chose the other way कि I should not myself, I have to answer myself, ना my conscience. So I think कि if I am right, मतलब I think that.
That was a brave way. Honestly, that was a brave way. A lot of people can't do that.
Can't do that. So doctor, was there any phase in life where your children felt कि bhai is different, we don't want to go out with him, and sometimes of course they don't have that sense of maturity in them to understand things, I believe, and there is a phase in life where maybe a moment where they felt कि यहाँ मुझे भाई को साथ नहीं लेके जाना, मेरे friends हैं और I'm in a social gathering.
सबसे पहले अपना फेयर निकाला. पहले मुझे कहीं जाना होता था तो मुझे लगता था कि यार नहीं जाती इस गैदरिंग में, क्योंकि मम्मी ऐसे ही देखती थी कि माय चाइल्ड इज मिसबिहेव्ड,
एलियन आ गया.
हाँ एलियन आ गया. देन आई थॉट, फिर इसका मैंने अपना पहले फेयर निकाला. आई यूज टू टेक हिम, आई सेड, एंड आई यूज टू टेल पीपल पहले, जैसे मैं आपसे मिली हूँ या इफ आई एम मीटिंग एनीबडी इन दिस वर्ल्ड, आई टेल देम आई हैव 3 kids, 1 child इज अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, सो दैट कि जब मैं उनके घर जाऊँ या वो मेरे घर आए, वो ऐसे ना देखें इस बच्चे को कि यार ये क्या बच्चा है. दे आर मेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि आई हैव अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड एट माई होम, या आई विल ब्रिंग अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, आई विल टेक केयर. तो आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट ना कि किसी का बच्चा डॉक्टर होता है, किसी का बच्चा इंजीनियर होता है, दे ऑल्सो टेक प्राइड ना. सो आई ऑल्सो हैव एन ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड, इट्स फाइन. सो आई टेल देम आई हैव एन ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड. मेरी तेजस्विनी की क्लास की मॉम्स या विराज की क्लास की मॉम्स को भी whenever I meet the first time in their school orientation, I tell them I have an elder son who is autistic and he's a special child. I have 3 kids. So this I inculcate in them also कि you have this brother and you have to take care of him. शुरू शुरू में जब बहुत छोटे थे तो उनको लगता था भाई ने मेरे बाल खींच दिए, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी इसके साथ. Then and there I tell her कि who will take care of भाई. You want कि हम इसको यहीं छोड़ जाए. Then she was नहीं ऐसा नहीं चाहती. Then now they are big
There
enough.
is an emotional instinct
हाँ.
among the siblings, and very beautifully said that before normalizing others, I believe we have to normalize ourselves.
And accept
खुद
what
को
is
normalize
करना
करना पहले
सब.
ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
That's the first point of victory in
हाँ.
life, you know. कि अपने डर से पहले जीत जाओ.
Yes.
And then you make other people normal around you. You know. So जैसे आपने बोला that you know it's not just about kids. At times we as adults, we as individuals, we are not able to normalize the special kids in our society, and we only end up saying you know wrong things, and you know we only end up not showing empathy and love, which is the most important cause of humanity. तो आपका क्या टेक है कि यू नो बिकॉज यू बिन इन दैट जर्नी कि हम कैसे अपने घर में वो एम्पैथी का एलिमेंट लेकर आए वेयर इन द स्पेशल किड्स आर इन्वॉल्वड.
See, I think it all depends upon your parenting. If you teach your child to be empathetic to anybody in this world, not just about special child, then only they develop this feeling. My child was in initial years, he was in, I'll not name the school because that will not be good.
Yeah.
So he was in class KG, and I got a random call from a parent ki, are you Inesh's mother? I said yes. My child is copying your child. You should ask your child to behave. And I said, what happened? She's trying to walk like limping like the way he walks, and she has started making noises like your son is making, and she is saying ki Inesh also does this in this class, so please ask your child to behave. I said ki you think I should be held responsible? I should teach my child to behave, or you should teach your child to behave? I should be angry that your child is copying my child and he is being bullied. And on the other side, she was saying कि आप अपने बच्चे को संभालो. I said कि I was very normal. I said कि I should feel bad. My child is being bullied. And what do you want me to do? मैंने कहा he is a special child. He will not understand. And please make your child understand that he is like this. So he should be accepted in the class. He said, अगर मेरा बच्चा ऐसा होता ना तो मैं उसको बिल्कुल अलग कर देती दूसरे बच्चों से.
Oh my God.
ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो आप? एक मॉम होके, एक माँ होके आप ऐसे कैसे करते? She was very rude. I felt very bad. I said कि ठीक है, ऐसे सोसाइटी में लोग मिलते हैं. I felt bad that day.
But do you feel that
I said ठीक है.
school को educate करना चाहिए?
Then I called that principal. I called that principal and said कि this is way. उसने मुझे कहा कि मैं आपके क्लास का बच्चा, आपकी क्लास वो बच्चे का ना क्लास चेंज करा दूंगी. आई एम वेरी पावरफुल. आई सेड ओके. I put down the phone, then I called the principal. I said this has happened to me, and she was so good. She said, ma'am, why will your child be shifted to? If she wants, she can shift her girl
section.
out of my school. Inesh will be there, you don't worry, I'll be answerable, and you don't worry. That gave me a strength ki yaar my child is accepted. Then I called her back. I said ki my child is there. I gained that confidence. I said my child is there. You want to shift your girl child? Please shift her. But please tell her कि ऐसी लाइफ में बहुत बच्चे मिलेंगे. It's not only in the class. मैंने कहा you have to teach your child, and मेरा बच्चा is from an educated family. He is not coming like कहीं से भी आ रहा है. His mom is always there with him. So you better do whatever you want. Please ask and you get your school change if you want. And the very next day she went to the principal also, and the same thing principal said ki ma'am, we can't shift Inesh from the class. If you want, please you can have a TC.
But don't you think इस case में ना school को भी या any type of मतलब I'm just thinking accountability होनी चाहिए to make people understand
So, as a parent, somewhere do you believe that society needs to be educated for that?
Yes, I believe in India, or I don't know about India, in Delhi, there are schools which take special kids as a part of their curriculum because it's government's policies these days. But they also choose the kids which have very less of problems.
Achha, they also do
Ha,
screening of
they
kids.
yes, they
Oh.
also do that. And you know, whenever you tell that you have a special child, the first thing they will say ki we don't have this much
Special
facilities.
educator
Ha,
or
we have only one special educator, and your child needs more. So I went to this one of the school mainstream schools. She said ki I was very verbal from the very first day. I told the principal that my child is special so that बाद में मुझे ना blame करे कोई. Then she said कि she was very hesitant कि हमारे पास तो एक ही स्पेशल एजुकेटर है, इतने सारे बच्चे होंगे, हाउ वी विल मैनेज, ऑल्दो इट इज़ गवर्नमेंट्स पॉलिसी कि आपको रखना है, बट स्टिल देन आई थॉट कि इफ़ माई चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट रिस्पेक्टेड हेयर, वाई शुड आई सेंड हिम हेयर? I'll find some school which give respect to him. And I proudly say now he goes to Air Force Public School, Golden Jubilee branch. It's in Dholakua, and you see the kids they have made there. It's a defense school. The very first day I went for the interviewed for Inesh, the interview got over, we were waiting outside. Not less than 10 students came to me, said, Auntie, do you want any help for bhaiya? You want to sit in the class, you want to know the canteen, you want water from us? This is the scenario I saw in the defense people. They have a full building for special kids, and they teach all other kids also how to be nice to them. These kids also heard, मतलब normal child के साथ उनकी classes करवाते हैं, not every class, but they have a special building for that. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स के साथ भी वो मिक्स कराने की कोशिश करते हैं, बट द वे यहाँ के बच्चों ने जो मुझे रिएक्ट किया, जो मम्मियों ने रिएक्ट करके बताया कि योर चाइल्ड इज़ फ्रॉम मार्स, या आपको अपना बच्चा अलग करना चाहिए, या हमारे पास स्पेशल एजुकेशन नहीं है,
सरप्राइजिंग,
दे वर लाइक कि आई फेल्ट सो नाइस, आई प्रे टू गॉड कि भगवान यहाँ मेरे बच्चे का एडमिशन हो जाए प्लीज़. पेरेंट्स तो मतलब आई कैन, मतलब बच्चों की क्वालिटी से मैं पेरेंट्स को रिफ्लेक्ट कर पा रही थी ना, कि दे वर सो एम्पैथेटिक टुवर्ड्स इनेश.
Right, I believe this is where you feel you have that feel good factor where you feel that India is actually growing.
Yeah.
People are accepting, and there are schools who have special educators, और जिनके पास नहीं है, I believe they ask parents to hire one who can be with the child
Yeah.
all the time, and that's a wonderful concept, I believe, where you can mix
A
up
shadow teacher.
a shadow teacher, and where you can mix up children who need special care and normal children where they can understand each other, and this way you are making society more aware, and letting,
a part
you're
of
educating
your-
the society.
Teachers also have to shift their mindset little. When my son hit somebody in the Air Force Golden Jubilee, and I was so worried. I called the sir ki please give me that parent's number, I'll apologize. He said ki why will you apologize? He didn't hit him intentionally, and that other parent also knows.
So generous.
सो अगर आप नॉर्मल स्कूल में पढ़ाते हो तो आपको लगता है कि इसने मार दिया, मुझे सॉरी बोलना है, मेरे बच्चे को भगा दिया, अरे उसने, ठीक है, आई डोंट मतलब वांट कि एनीबॉडीज किड शुड बी हर्ट, बट अगर वो कर दिया, दे शुड ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड ना वाई.
Right.
मतलब एक एडिशनल सोसाइटी प्रेशर
हाँ.
हो गया टू प्लीज द अदर पीपल आल्सो.
हाँ, सो आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे नंबर दे दो प्लीज़ सर, मैं उसको सॉरी बोल देती हूँ पेरेंट को. ही सेड नो, टीचर शुड बी हेल्ड सॉरी दैट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू हैंडल हिम. इसने बाइट कर लिया या उसने हिट कर दिया, सो वील टेक केयर ऑफ दैट मैम, यू प्लीज टेक केयर. I was felt ki yes, I am also respected as a special mom. It's not I am guilty.
Somewhere you feel you're a mother to a special child, and you are also a special mom.
Yeah.
Any tip you want to give to those moms who cannot accept the fact that the child is going through something, and the child needs to be diagnosed, the child needs to be get tested or shown to some professional for the problem that they're facing?
I think acceptance is a must. It's not just your child is autistic, yeah, he's hyperactive, then only you have to take your child to a psychologist. Yeah, I think if your child is not having any problem, अगर आपका बच्चा ये subjects नहीं पढ़ पा रहा तो there are things कि he can be shifted to arts, he can be shifted to cricket. There's something which is good in him. आप उस पे सिर्फ वो पढ़ाई का burden कर करके you can't make your child, you know, a better person. जो पुराने ज़माने में होता था, मम्मी कहती पढ़ ले, हिस्ट्री पढ़नी है, साइंस पढ़नी है, इसमें मार्क्स आने हैं. मार्क्स आर नॉट टू टेल टू अदर्स.
Absolutely.
ठीक है, आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा सिनेरियो इसमें हो भी चुका है. तो आई फील कि इफ़ योर चाइल्ड इज़ नॉट स्टडिंग, यू शुड स्विच टू द सब्जेक्ट्स which can make him a better, you know,
Human
person.
being, and maybe it can help the child to be more independent.
Probably be
Yes.
successful in life. Forget
हाँ.
about.
So it's not about
Yeah.
becoming a doctor or engineer.
Yeah, it's about living your life with
Yes.
grace and health
You know,
and everything.
being independent. You have to
Yeah.
earn money sooner or later.
Correct.
That can be, you know, done from any ways.
So, Dr. Shalu, you know, if somebody is having a special child in their family, what is a piece of wisdom you would like to share to them, you know, because just say you are a very strong woman, but a lot of people are not that strong.
So yeah, I think
know?
कि जिसके पास स्पेशल चाइल्ड है ना, वो सब मॉम्स बहुत स्पेशल है. गॉड गिव्स द स्ट्रेंथ. उन्होंने जब डिसाइड किया होता है ना, तो मॉम के पास स्ट्रेंथ आ ही जाती है. बट व्हाट आई थिंक कि आई वाज लाइक कि टर्निंग पॉइंट क्या था जैसे मुझे स्ट्रेंथ आई. आई वाज लाइक कि आई वॉज क्राइंग कि मेरे साथ ही क्यों. देन आई वॉज लुकिंग, मंदिर में थी तो आई सॉ दैट शिव जी एंड गणेश जी.
अच्छा.
ठीक है. सो ही वॉज सिटिंग विद द फैमिली. तो आई थॉट कि गणेश जी के भी ना नॉर्मल शक्ल नहीं है. ही हैज़ एन एलिफेंट का फेस. ही इज़ ऑल्सो स्पेशल. सो आई वॉज लाइक कि मेरे पास भी तो स्पेशल चाइल्ड है, उनके पास भी है. सो इट्स आई हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट एंड आई हैव टू स्टैंड फॉर हिम. अगर वो अपने लिए कुछ नहीं कर सकता तो मुझे उसके लिए डबल काम करना है.
That's
सो समबडी हैज़ टू डू ना.
beautiful way of seeing life.
Very, very.
I believe.
Yes.
Any one thing that you feel that it is missing in our society, or our society being so
So, Dr. Shalu, the journey that you've been part of is not easy, and you know, हम हर किसी को ना एक स्ट्रेंथ चाहिए होती है, और वो स्ट्रेंथ ना आपके कोई लव वंस ही आपको देते हैं. मतलब वो पुश हमेशा from your family members, that push is from your family members. So who is your pillar of strength in your life?
See, after being a mom, जब आप माँ बनते हो तब आपको उसका स्ट्रेंथ समझ में आता है. एंड दिस आई गेट फ्रॉम माई मॉम ओनली. एंड शी इज सच अ पिलर ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ फॉर मी. शी इज सो, यू नो, शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है मैं देख लूँगी. आई एम लाइक मम्मा इज़ देयर. एंड व्हेन आई वाज प्लानिंग माई थर्ड चाइल्ड, सब कहते तीसरा बच्चा. मैं सोच रही थी मम्मी से बोलूँ, मम्मा आई वॉज प्लानिंग फॉर थर्ड चाइल्ड. सेड इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़ राइट, गो अहेड, आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर थर्ड चाइल्ड. एंड शी वॉज ऑल्सो इन हर 60s. देन इवन मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स ने विराज को, ही वॉज ऑलवेज देयर, और उन्होंने पूरा उसका ध्यान रखा. सेड कि तू इनेश और तेजस्विनी को देख, आई एम देयर फॉर विराज. सो यू नो, शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर. आई वॉज वेरी क्लोज टू माई फादर एंड स्टिल आई एम. But you know, mom ki strength is mom's strength.
Whenever you are in a problem, I believe your approach is only towards your mom, because you know that she can connect with you more.
After being a mom, you realize the importance of mom.
Actually, ना God से पहले वो खड़ी है.
हाँ.
खड़ी है.
और
She's there.
हाँ, मतलब बोलते हैं ना that you are right at the center, और आपकी मॉम खड़ी और आपको कुछ होएगा नहीं. मतलब मुझको सच में लगता है आपके पेरेंट्स हैं ना लाइफ में, आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो.
You get to know your mom is there, so this feeling you also inculcate. So for my kids, I am there. Anything happens, I am there, beta.
Yeah.
As a special mom, do you think something is lacking in the society after being so educated and so advanced? कुछ है missing है जो इन special बच्चों के लिए होना चाहिए?
Government should come up with more reforms in the schools, in the normal schools, I suppose. कई schools में नहीं है. And I think कि parents should teach their child how to be empathetic to the special child. And they should learn कि उनकी मम्मीज़ के साथ भी they don't should भी पिटी ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए बेचारी के पास ऐसा है या बेचारी के पास ऐसा है. वी आर इक्वली गुड एज यू आर.
आई फील बच्चों से ज़्यादा ना पेरेंट्स को एजुकेट करने की ज़रूरत है.
Actually, starting point तो वही है because you know a
Parents
child
have
is
to,
a
parenting has to be in a way that kids, your parenting, you know, decides how your kid becomes.
I तो always believe the kids are shadow of their parents, of their family structure.
Exactly.
जो आपकी family के values होते हैं ना वो आपके बच्चों में travel करेंगे ही करेंगे.
Yes.
So that is the starting point of all the
They
solutions
learn
to a
seeing
problem.
the adult in the
Actions,
house.
yaar. Preach
Yes.
what you say. So one last thought that you would like to bring here in the minds of mothers and fathers around, that how they could, कहते हैं ना कि एक equality चाहिए. How they can make the journey of special kids easy.
सी फॉर अ पेरेंट या मॉम, मैं जैसे क्लासेस जाती थी ना तो कई बार मुझे ऐसा लगता था मम्मी आ रही हैं बड़ी शैबीसली ड्रेस्ड हैं, परेशान सी आ रही हैं, कंघी भी नहीं की हुई, बच्चा फटाफट पकड़ाया और चली गई कि घर के भी काम करने हैं. तो इट्स लाइक कि क्यों इतना अनटाइडी रहना. इट इज़ नॉट कि हम लोग के साथ बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि आई तो यू नो ड्रेस अप इन द मॉर्निंग, आई पुट माई लिपस्टिक, आई पुट माई ब्लश, आई सेड कि येस आई कैन कॉन्कर द वर्ल्ड. आई हैव टू लव माई सेल्फ फर्स्ट to you know love anybody else in the society. So I think what matters is love yourself first, give yourself importance. सजना, शक्ल में अच्छा बनना, अच्छे कपड़े पहनना इज़ आई थिंक कि समथिंग विच गिव्स यू बूस्ट ऑफ एनर्जी. अगर आप सुबह सुबह तैयार हो जाते हो, अच्छा लगता है कि येस आई कैन गो. So I also, you know, I opened an aesthetic clinic also with this thought also.
Oh.
I was like कि you know anybody has to love herself first. So it's about that. It is not about changing your looks, it's not about changing the way you carry yourself. If something bothers you when you look at your mirror, if that bothers your confidence, I am there to help.
So that's so thoughtful of you, I believe, doctor. You already a person who's already going through so much and still wants to give back to the society. That is a brilliant thought, I believe, and everybody, we don't have that courage to do something like this that you're doing for the society and for yourself also.
So like the way you mentioned that, you know, special kids are born with special mothers, and we can truly see that because एक special power है आपके पास कि आपने लाइफ की बड़ी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स को छोटा बना दिया. लाइक यू नो वी ऑल आर क्रिबिंग अबाउट इश्यूज लाइक बच्चे खाना नहीं खाते, बच्चे स्कूल का होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं. Imagine that, you know, life is much beyond all these small things that we crib. And I think we are going back with a lot of learning, and thank you so much for sharing this part of your life. It's not easy to come up and share this, and we are highly obliged that you've, you know, chosen us to share this story.
And as mothers, we have learned a lot from you today.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you
inviting.
so much for being here with us and sharing your journey with us.
But I'll thank you both for inviting me to your platform, and this is the first time I'm discussing all my things here, so it's also special to me also. And I'll, you know, more power to you, both of you, and your channel Breamy Mama.
Thank you.
And I hope you get more good content for the audience.
Thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. We both are a little overwhelmed because you know, life is much beyond what we all have and what we all see in our everyday basis. So just pray to God, stay blessed, and have a lot of empathy, because if you're blessed, please try and spread some positivity around. Thank you very much, and keep listening to our podcast. Take care.